Ever wondered how what you eat could directly impact your health? Especially when it comes to those sneaky uric acid levels that can cause issues like gout. Well, let's dive into the magical world of fiber-rich foods and how 3 humble vegetables, broccoli, pumpkin, and celery, can help keep uric acid levels in check. The role of diet in managing uric acid levels. Uric acid, a byproduct of purine metabolism, can sometimes accumulate in the body and lead to conditions like gout or kidney stones. Managing what you eat plays a huge role in keeping uric acid levels at a healthy balance. Incorporating the right foods can be the difference between comfort and chronic pain. Why fiber is key to uric acid reduction. Fiber is often overlooked, but it's a powerful nutrient when it comes to removing excess substances from the body. Dietary fiber can help in absorbing and eliminating uric acid, thus lowering its concentration in the bloodstream. Let's look at why fiber-packed foods like broccoli, pumpkin, and celery can be effective allies. What is uric acid? Uric acid is a waste product formed when the body breaks down substances called purines, which are found in certain foods and drinks. While the kidneys usually filter out uric acid, excess levels can build up and cause joint pain and inflammation, most commonly known as gout. Some common causes of elevated uric acid levels include high purine foods. Red meat, organ meats, and certain seafood can contribute to increased uric acid production. Dehydration. Lack of water impairs the body's ability to eliminate uric acid. Genetics. Some people have a hereditary predisposition to higher uric acid levels. The importance of fiber in managing uric acid. Dietary fiber works wonders in helping reduce uric acid. It binds with the uric acid present in the digestive system, making it easier for the body to remove through waste. This process helps in lowering uric acid levels in the bloodstream. There are 2 main types of fiber, soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and helps lower cholesterol and blood sugar levels, while insoluble fiber aids in digestion and prevents constipation. Both types are beneficial in keeping uric acid levels in check. Broccoli, a nutritional powerhouse. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that's packed with nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and fiber. It's low in purines, making it an ideal food for people looking to manage uric acid levels. The high fiber content in broccoli helps absorb uric acid, making it easier for the body to eliminate. Its antioxidants also combat inflammation, which is particularly beneficial for those suffering from gout-related joint pain. Besides reducing uric acid, broccoli supports overall health by boosting the immune system, promoting heart health, and aiding in digestion. It's a versatile veggie that can easily be included in a variety of dishes. Pumpkin. The orange wonder. Pumpkin is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, along with plenty of fiber and antioxidants. It's low in calories and has a high water content, making it a great choice for those watching their weight and uric acid levels. The fiber in pumpkin helps absorb excess uric acid, while its anti-inflammatory properties soothe the body. Pumpkin seeds are also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which may help reduce inflammation associated with high uric acid. Pumpkin isn't just good for managing uric acid, it also supports eye health due to its beta-carotene content, helps boost immunity, and can improve skin health. It's a truly versatile food that can be used in both sweet and savory dishes. Celery. A green stalk full of goodness. Celery is known for being low in calories but packed with nutrients like vitamin K, potassium, and, of course, fiber. Its high water content also helps with hydration, which is essential for flushing out excess uric acid. Celery is an excellent choice for reducing uric acid levels due to its fiber and water content, which work together to facilitate the elimination of toxins from the body. Celery also acts as a natural diuretic, promoting urination and thereby helping the body remove excess uric acid. Celery is great for digestion, promotes heart health, and even has anti-inflammatory properties. It's a versatile vegetable that can be eaten raw, juiced, or added to soups and stews. Combining broccoli, pumpkin, and celery in your diet. Incorporating these vegetables into your daily meals is easier than you think. Here are a few simple ideas. Broccoli salad. Mix broccoli florets with diced apples, nuts, and a light vinaigrette. Pumpkin soup. Puree roasted pumpkin with some vegetable broth and spices for a comforting soup. Celery smoothie. Blend celery with cucumber, apple, and a splash of lemon juice for a refreshing drink. Here's a sample meal plan to help reduce uric acid levels. Breakfast: celery smoothie with a side of whole grain toast. Lunch: broccoli and quinoa salad with a light lemon dressing. Dinner: roasted pumpkin with steamed veggies and grilled chicken. Snacks: pumpkin seeds or celery sticks with hummus. Other dietary and lifestyle tips for lowering uric acid. Stay hydrated. Water helps dilute uric acid and promotes its removal from the body. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay well hydrated. Avoiding high purine foods. Reducing or eliminating high purine foods like red meat, shellfish, and sugary drinks can help maintain healthy uric acid levels. Exercise and stress management. Regular physical activity and managing stress are both key components in maintaining a healthy lifestyle and reducing uric acid levels. Exercise helps improve circulation and overall health, which supports kidney function. Potential side effects of eating too much fiber. While fiber is great for health, too much can lead to digestive issues like bloating or gas. Start slowly and increase your intake gradually. If you experience persistent pain, swelling, or any other symptoms associated with high uric acid, consult your doctor. Dietary changes are beneficial, but they may need to be part of a broader treatment plan. Let's answer some common questions. Can fiber alone help reduce uric acid? Fiber plays a key role in managing uric acid, but it works best when combined with hydration, reduced purine intake, and other healthy lifestyle choices. How often should I eat broccoli, pumpkin, and celery? Incorporating these vegetables 3 to 4 times a week as part of a balanced diet can help reduce uric acid levels. Are there any foods I should avoid if I have high uric acid? Avoid high purine foods like organ meats, red meat, and shellfish, as well as sugary drinks and alcohol. How quickly can I expect results from a high-fiber diet? Results vary based on individual health conditions, but you may start seeing improvements in uric acid levels within a few weeks of consistently eating a high-fiber diet. What are some other high-fiber foods that help lower uric acid? Foods like oats, lentils, apples, and berries are also rich in fiber and can aid in reducing uric acid levels. Managing uric acid levels doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the help of fiber-rich foods like broccoli, pumpkin, and celery, you can naturally reduce uric acid and improve your overall health. These 3 vegetables not only help keep uric acid levels in check but also provide numerous other health benefits, making them a valuable addition to your diet. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.